Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 13 Pro, replacing iPhone 13 Pro proximity sensor with flex cable. Let's get started. At first, we disassembled the display module, now removing flex from display. This is a risky process. We should be careful during this. Now removing sensors. This is our new proximity sensor flex. Now go to the microscope screen. We are replacing a sensor from the old flex to new one. Cleaning the sensor. Performing a pre-test of the sensor flex. It's working properly. Now we are going to permanent installation. And that's it. You've successfully replaced iPhone 13 Pro proximity sensor. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.